Here's the replacement unit. I was just changing the settings on the way home and it froze up. It was off the power at the moment. So now the power button is non-responsive. Buttons are non-responsive. I suppose I will take the battery out again, as I did for the previous unit, to reset. But really hope so. Really hope it's a one-off, not problem with this unit as well. There we go. Tower day. Well, let's see. Now seems to be okay. Looking for settings actually to reduce the number of tiny details, because when on a bike these tiny details are too tiny to see. It looks like there are all kinds of waypoints. Couldn't see it immediately, but that's a different story. I'll find it later.